Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a festive DIY Christmas present stand decor using empty boxes and a broomstick. This is an easy DIY to add some holiday cheer to your home. You'll need 2 empty boxes, twist tie, tape, ribbon, broomstick, scissor and wrapping paper. First, tape your empty boxes. On the top of your first box, mark the size of your broomstick diameter and cut out the circle piece. Insert your broomstick to make sure it fits. That's how it should look like. The size of the hole should be just enough to fit a broomstick. Second, take your second empty box and place it diagonally on top of the first box like so. Now on the opposite diagonal edge of the box, go ahead and cut out a piece to enter your broomstick. Make sure that you are making the 2 cutouts in the opposite corners of the box. Once the broomstick is inserted through the holes, your second box should look like it's floating. Third, go ahead and insert the broomstick inside the first box. Place the second box on top of it like so. Next, wrap up your boxes. With a knife, cut out the wrapping paper on the hole. In total, cut out wrapping paper out of 3 holes that you have just made. Now go ahead and lay it on top of your first box. What and how? Look at that, it's coming along. As a final touch, with your ribbon, make a pretty bow on top of the box like so. Here I used a light up wired ribbon to make my bow. Lastly, with a twist tie, fasten your bow that you have just made onto the broomstick. Adjust your bow to make it look nice and pretty. Voila! Here is your quick and easy DIY Christmas present stand decor using empty boxes and a broomstick. How festive does this look? I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIY. Be sure to watch my other quick and easy DIY Christmas decorations tutorials. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.